Hello, my name is James, and I'm here to tell you about the all-new Builder Pro from Themify. Builder Pro is a WordPress theme builder that lets you create an entire website by dragging and dropping elements. If that sounds amazing, that's because it is. Let's take a look. The first thing we'll need to do is head over to themify.me/builder-pro to download the plugin. As you can see, the Builder Pro has a lot of great features. We can create a complete theme with many templates. It even works with WooCommerce products. There are display conditions that let us control what content displays when. And we also have dynamic content options for creating posts and products. We also have pre-designed themes and templates available. So once you've downloaded the plugin, it's time to head over to our website and install it. In order for the Builder Pro plugin to work, you will either need to install the basic Builder plugin or simply use the Themify theme. I recommend using a Themify theme because they come with a lot of great options that make building your website very easy. For this tutorial, we've installed the Themify Ultra theme, as well as having imported all the demo posts, pages, and some products. Installing the Builder Pro plugin is as easy as installing any plugin in WordPress. We'll go to Plugins, Add New, select Upload, and choose File, and we'll navigate to the zip file we downloaded earlier. Once that's done installing, you'll click the blue Activate button, and you'll be ready to go. Now that we've installed the Builder Pro plugin, it's time to create our first theme. First, let's take a quick look at our website before creating a custom theme. This is what our website looks like with the Themify Ultra theme default. Now let's go create a custom theme. To create a custom theme, we'll hover over Themify Ultra and select Pro Themes. Then we'll select Add New Theme. We'll give the theme a name, and we'll click Next. From here, we have the option to start with a blank slate or import one of these pre-made templates. I'm going to choose to import the magazine template, and I'll click Activate. Now that I've created a custom theme, let's take a look at our templates. We'll go up here to Go to Templates, and you can see that when we created the theme and chose to import the magazine template, it uploaded a bunch of pre-made templates for us. Let's take a look at our website now. As you can see, our header looks completely different. This is because we are now using the custom theme that we just imported. Let's take a look at one of our custom templates so we can see how this works. I'm going to click on the Single tab and take a look at our Post Single template. I'll click on Front End to pull up the front end editor so we can see visually how this looks. As you can see, we have a large hero image, a post title, some post meta, content, and a comment section. Pretty standard look for a post. Now let's take a look at one of our actual live posts. As you can see, our live post follows the exact same layout as the template we just looked at. Hero image, title, meta, content, and comment section. All filled in with the dynamic content from the real post. This works the same for other templates as well. Let's take a look at a page. If you go back to our templates, click on the Page tab, and take a look at our page template, we can see that right now we have a pretty basic layout. Page title, page content. If we go back to our back end and take a look at a real live page, you'll see we have a title and the page content. Now let's take a look at our post archive template as well as our product template. So if we go back to templates, click on the Archive tab, and view the front end of our post archive template, we see this layout. Title, meta. Now let's check this out on the live website. I'm going to go to Posts, Categories, and I'm just going to view the photography category. As you can see, once again, our layout here on the front end matches exactly with the template we just looked at. I'm going to hover over here on the front end and go to Pro Templates. Now I'm going to click on Product Single, Front End, to take a look at our product template. We have a title, description, price, add to cart button, nice big featured image, description, and some related products. Now let's take a look at a live product on the front end. Here we go. Same exact look as our template. And as you saw, every single one of these templates was completely customizable. Speaking of customizing, let's edit one of our templates. I'm going to come up here to turn on Builder, and I'm going to hover over Edit Templates and select Magazine Header. I'm just going to make a quick change to this header so you can see the power of the Builder Pro. I'm going to change the background of this header to a nice grayish color. And I'll make the text red. I'll click Save, and I'll click the X. As you can see, our header has changed. It now has the gray background and the red text. And you'll see this on all the pages of our website. This header will show up on every page where we have decided that this custom header should show up. Right now, it's set to show up on every page and every post. But what if we wanted one header to show up on pages and a different looking header to show up, say, on our post archive pages? We'll have to use something called display conditionals. Let's take a look at that right now. I'm going to go back up here to Pro Templates. For our header, I'm going to choose Options, and I'm going to add a condition, and I'm going to exclude archives, all archives, and hit Save. Now I'm going to create a new header by clicking Add New, select Header. I'm going to name this Archive Header, and I'm going to include on archives, all archives. I'll choose a magazine header again and click Publish. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the background of this header to, let's say, a light bluish color. I'm just going to hit Save, and I'll click the X. Let's go back to our home page. As you can see, we have our original header up here with the gray background and the red text. But if I check out a post archive, say our photography category again, we'll see the archive header we created with the blue background and the black text. So this is the power of the Builder Pro. It lets you build a completely customizable theme, customizing the header, footer, 404 pages, post pages, product pages. Basically, every part of your website can be completely customized with the Builder Pro plugin. The last thing I want to show you is how to export and import your custom theme. To do that, I'm going to go back up here to Pro Themes. I'm going to click on Theme Details, and I'm going to choose Export. This will download your custom theme as a zip file. To import this theme, I'm going to go to another demo site that we've set up. Here's how the site looks so far. Very, very basic. Now, let's go up here to Pro Themes, choose Import, and I'll choose the zip file that I just downloaded from the other website. Then I'll need to activate the theme that I just imported. Now let's take a look at the front end of this website. As you can see, we now have the custom theme that we built and exported from the other website. We have our gray background header with the red text and the footer. I hope you found this video useful, and we can't wait to see what kind of amazing websites you guys come up with using our new Builder Pro. Thanks for watching and happy building!